Oh yeah, hell, this is true. Uh, Definitely not hell, but the so-called heaven on earth. This is Maldives, you beauty. So this is the water villa where we are staying, and off we go in. The room number is 209, 209, and that's the first view that you will see when you enter. So there's a big bed just overlooking the Indian Ocean, and you can imagine the beauty. So lazing around, okay, so let me show you the places around before lazing off. Okay, so as I told you, there is a sunshade and there are two sunside relax chairs, and there is a ladder, and you can go directly into the lagoon from here. It's so very pristine. I mean, the dark color that you see, if I zoom in, that is the ocean. It is the lagoon meets the ocean. There is a ring in case if you need it. There is a cloth rack in case you need to dry your swimwear. So the door here is sliding. It is a sliding door. Again, you have extra couches in case if you, like, three of you are traveling. There is a mini fridge, and there are two closets with a safe. And oh, do you need this on a vacation? Now the washrooms look something like this. There's a modular bath, there's this basin, and there is this plush water tub. So even from here, if you want to get a view of the sea, you can have it. And it is indeed so very very pretty, although it's very hot right now, doesn't feel like going out, but definitely it's a place to chill. And Maldives, you're very very beautiful.